Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I will show you some beautiful and amazing latest designs of crochet trousers, pajamas and pants patterns. So these are the latest design and very trending in nowadays in western countries where the weather is very cold. And if you are in a cold weather and want to buy and plan to some good things for your children, so I would definitely recommend you guys to have the addition of crochet patterns in your baby's wardrobe so you can protect them from the cold weather. And these are very trending in nowadays, and you can customize it in any color and you can made it pair with any t-shirt and any kind of sweaters. So see, they provide very warmth, like very soft and provide great protection from the cold weather. And you can customize it in any color, like they are very eco-friendly, and you can even gift it to someone else who, like your friend having a newborn baby. So yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.